Yeah, exactly. Let me share my screen. Now, I said I'll be using my Facebook account. I'll be using my Facebook account for this purpose. And from the Facebook account, you realize this is my Facebook account. The first thing you need to do is to place your cursor on the menu. Place your cursor on the menu. I don't know if you are following me.
Yeah, we can see your screen.
Okay, so you place your cursor on the menu. This is the menu. You click the menu. You want to create a page for your library. Again, why do you really need to create a page for your library? One major reason why library exists is to provide services. Now, you are now taking these services to your audience. You want your audience also, you want to be on the same the same level with the audience in terms of the kind of information need you want them to see. Now, at this point, you want to create a page on the social media platform where your audience are, where you have discovered that your audience are always available. And I'm using Facebook as an example. Now, immediately you click the menu, you come to page. You can see where my cursor is, page. You click on page. It will open another platform. Now, those are the pages I've created earlier. But here, you are trying to create a new page, So you come, you pick, you touch, you use your cursor again, you click new page. You can see create new page. You click on create new page. Now, while creating new page, there are some very important information that the social media platform will ask you. And those are the questions it will ask you. While creating the page, it said you need to give it a page name. Remember that you are creating this page for your institution. So, because you are creating this page for your institution, or you are creating it for a professional body, you give that page a name. So let's give it a name now. Let's say, I know National Library have a page already. So let's give it, let me say, now you can see that immediately you are creating that page, is transferring the detail you are writing in the desktop review, right? So it's transferring the same detail into the desktop review. I just typed Agile libraries, for example. Right? Now that's what it's doing now. Now it will now ask me, which category of information do I want to have? Now here, in what is the nature of what do I want to use that page for? Is it an information center? Do I want to have it as information technology company? Is it a tourist information center? Is it a city infrastructure? So what you have in mind, which is your objective that we have mentioned while talking about our goals, right? You now bring it in now. What is the objective of creating that page? Do you want to have it as an information technology company, or just a tourist information center, or you just want to have it information? You can, or you want to have it as, let's pick, or you want to have it as media center. So immediately you pick information, it will bring related terms, terms that are related to what what you are typing in is there. Now you can see media, you can see computer company, you can see reference websites, you can see computer repair. So let me pick now. For the fact that you are picking this does not mean you can't pick another thing. You cannot pick another purpose, or you can't pick another information. So you can decide to also pick something else. Let's say I'm picking, right? So I can pick as many as I want it. So here is optional. You bow, you want to give, maybe there's a bow information, bow data information you want to give to that. That immediately you have a post, that post will appear on your page, on your page. Then it will appear on your page. Now you have created this page. Now that's the first thing you need to do. Now after creating this page, the next thing you need to do, you come back to your profile. I'm going back to my profile. Now on my profile now, the next thing I want to do, I want to have what we call the business suit. Yes. Now, I want to have my business suit account. The purpose of having a business suit account is to have our posts among others. But one major thing that business suit account has, you realize that a lot of library have so many social media platforms. But one benefit of having a business suit account is it enable you, the business suit account it enables you to merge most of those accounts together on a particular platform, on a single platform. What at that point, what you are posting on your YouTube, what you are posting on your Instagram, what you are posting on your Facebook, you can view it at the same time. People can view them at the same time. Now when you go back to your profile or your page, you see my console. You come down here, you see Meta Business Suite, right? You click that particular information. After clicking it, it will take you to another platform. As you can see now, you see now that it has taken me to a new page. It has taken me to a new page. In this my particular page now, I can create a post, right? And while creating a post, let me create a post. Let me create a post. Now, while creating a post, it will give me different options. Am I creating a post in terms of a video? Do I want to create pictures, photos? It will give me that option. And again, before that part, you see posts to. Now, at this point, because I have linked my Facebook account and my Instagram account, you realize that it shows me only these two. So at this point, I can decide not to link it to my Instagram account. I can decide to just leave it on my Facebook, and I can as well add up my Instagram account. Now again, if I want to save preference, I can also click on preference, then I go back. Then from here, from the media now, I can decide to pick the pictures, add photo. I can add photo. Now, while adding photo, I have two options. Either I'm adding from a file manager or I'm uploading from the desktop. But for the purpose of this class, I have saved some photos on the desktop. So I will pick those photos I will upload from my desktop. So I will upload from my desktop. Now I picked photo, and I'm uploading this library photo. Now the beauty of this is, why do you need to upload photos? You realize that library usually have so many activities, and because we have so many activities, We want people to see, what we are doing. You know, we want people to see what we are doing part time. So most of those are photos. We want to upload it on our library page. Remember in our last class, I mentioned the fact that before you have a social media platform, there's a need for you to have a policy. The purpose of that policy is to define the kind of posts that social media platform will always have. You know, it must be post that is related to the objective you have selected. So we have said that this platform is for tourist library. So I'm now posting a picture showing users sitting on in the library using the library facilities or the library resources. Now, at this point, I can post more than one picture. The Facebook gave me opportunity to post 10 pictures, maximum of 10 pictures. So I can keep picking on and on, on and on, on and on. I can also pick other pictures as the case may be. I can decide to pick another picture here. I can pick another picture and post it, right? I can pick as many pictures as I like, as I really wish to. So those pictures, I can post them on my Facebook business suit account. I can post it on my Facebook business suit account. Now, after posting it, there are still other information. Now, maybe there are some texts, right, that you want to, there is a follow-up information that you want it to appear on the post. At this point, you can as well add it up. Let's say user training on library database, right? Users training on library database. Let's just leave it this way. Now, you can see that now here, you also have another opportunity. You can do two things. You have scheduling option, which means you can schedule that post here, where my console is now. You can decide to schedule that post, right? Why scheduling that post? Because maybe you want that post to appear in a particular period, right? So while scheduling that post, you have the opportunity to add something like maybe the date at which you want that post to reoccur, your audience, the time at which you want it to reoccur. Now, apart from scheduling the post, you also have privacy setting, in the sense that you can decide to make such information public, and at the same time you can restrict the people that will have access to the information on your Facebook. You can restrict the people that will have access to such information on your Facebook. So after doing that, you can just publish. So as it is, I left the detail public, so you can publish. Let's see what it will show us after publishing. So another benefit of having such posts is in another way, is that it helps you to know if the level, it helps you to determine the level of the relevance of your social media platform in your library. Now, when you are having a business suit, when you have a business suit account, what it helps you to do is helps you to identify each resources or each post that people are really viewing, and why they are viewing such resources. You see that sometimes we see some of our users, they copy some of our posts, they share some of our posts, they give comments on some of our posts. They are doing this because the information that we are putting on that particular platform is very relevant. It's very, very relevant. Sorry, the network is a bit slow. I'm trying to publish our posts. Then after publishing our post, we'll look at the video, how we can also upload video. And at the same time, we'll look at how both the Facebook posts and the video in the Facebook post and the image, how they appear on our platform. And at the same time, we will also look at the metrics, how we can check the metrics of our posts. Sorry, the network is the network that's giving me issue. So let me take that part again. Let me upload the video, the photo, right? Call this library users. Then again, I also mentioned the fact that we can leave it public or we can leave it as we can restrict it. So I'm publishing it again, hoping that the network will. Now, it has been published. I've published it. Now, again, we also have, we can also plan the rescheduling of that particular post by creating a date here. You know, we can create a date at which we want that particular post to be rescheduled. We can create a date at which we want it to be rescheduled, you know, and we can give it a name. Again, I also mentioned the fact that we can have a metrics, social media metrics. Now, in the social media metrics, what we have with the social media metrics is it helps us to see. Now, it helps us to see the flow of our posts, the number of likes of our posts, you know. So as it is, I'm using this as an example. Now, you see that the number of followers on a post, right? This is the number of followers on that particular post. You see the number of and this graphic representation. This is the graphic representation of the post. What it means is that whenever you post an information on your website, on your, you can determine the, you know, you can decide the metrics at which people are viewing such information. Most library have a Facebook account, and most of these their Facebook account is always visiting them because of the kind of information on that particular account. You can see that this one is the information 7, and this is March 20 and March 27. We sent March 7, and by March 27, you see that the people viewing such information is very low. Now, again, you can also check this. You can also know this through content. The content. Now, in the content here, it gives you so many opportunity to see so many things. Now, in the content here, you can see dates at which the information you posted is being published, and it will appear in both your Instagram account and your Facebook account. This is what I just posted now, and today is 30th, Saturday 30th. This is the information I just posted, and you can see date of publish, you can see reach, you can see likes and comments. You can go on and on to see other information that is available for that particular purpose. So as it is here, the purpose of this is help you to see the number of people making comments on your library platform. It helps you to see people sharing. Sometimes people will just share the information available on your social media platform, and those are the places you will know. And immediately you are seeing this, it will give you an idea of what your social media engagement is. Helps you to know the engagement level of your social media. Are people really engaging with the information that is available on your social media? Are they really checking your page? And if you are checking if they are checking your page, what are they doing in that page? Are they liking your what action? What are they sharing so that this particular social media platform usually help us to achieve? And again, apart from the engagement, the content and the metrics that we have checked, the social media also help you in terms of knowing your audience. Who are your audience? Who are the people engaging with your social media platform? What are their age range, right? In my Instagram account now, for example, you remember I said because we have merged it is easy for you to know. You can see here, you can see Instagram account here, you can see it here. You see that you see the age range as it has been spelled out, among others. So that is exactly what we are trying to say, that it can help you to achieve. Now, again, apart from metrics, apart from the audience, we also have another one on Facebook. On YouTube. It's called okay. We also have another very common one on YouTube that is called YouTube, and I will call YouTube Studio. If you open your YouTube, account, you realize that many people use YouTube, including libraries. Library account. The YouTube account also helps us in terms of uploading videos, and this video that is uploaded in the library for various purposes. For that of YouTube, because I have an issue with my YouTube account, I may not be able, but I'll just show you the link. This is it, YouTube. So from here, from the YouTube studio, from the YouTube studio now, you can see this is the YouTube studio. And from this, this is my page on the YouTube studio. And from the YouTube studio, you can also have comments, you can also have analytics, you can also have you can have content, analytics, among others. What it means is you can create the content that is available. Those are the things I've uploaded. You can see visibility, you can see restriction, you can see dates, you can see view. So immediately you upload these videos, it will be easy for you to trace those information as expected. It will be easy for you to trace those information as expected. So that is exactly what we are trying to say here. Thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate.
Okay, thank you so much, Doc. I think by now most of us will have known how to navigate and create a social media Facebook accounts or Facebook page for our libraries. This juncture, if you have questions for Doctor, we can ask. We can unmute our mic or use the chat section. Please, do we have any question for Doc?
Hello, sir. Moderator, sir.
Okay, Mr. Aziz.
Okay, so I want to ask our facilitator if, since he said his YouTube had issues, if we can just quickly go through the YouTube studio, the Y studio from my own end, so that the cohorts can understand and possibly create a YouTube channel for the organization and start working on it.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Okay, sir. Okay, so I would need maybe like 2 minutes to. I think people can start asking their question. Why?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so I'll be solution. Thank you.
You can keep your questions coming while Mr. Aziz settles in. And Doc, you're also free to ask your questions if you wish. Any questions from the participants? I hope you can hear me.
Yes, you can hear me.
Okay. I was a bit worried that nobody is hearing me.
Okay, so can I share my?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Mr. Aziz.
Good afternoon.
Okay, so I would just like to take us through the Y2 studio, which is used for creating our YouTube channel. Okay, so the first thing to do, permit me, I'm connecting with my phone, not with my system. So the first thing to do is to download. So since I'm connecting with a phone, which is an Android version, I'll need to download YT Studio. YT Studio. So let's just go to our Play Store to download. I have one downloaded on mine. We have YT Studio. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead to click on this. Okay, so this is the YT Studio. It is called YouTube Studio. So it is shortened as YT Studio. So because I have it installed already on the phone, I'm just going to go ahead to open. Okay, so this is how it looks. So, but if you are logging for the first time, you will need to register your account, and to do that, you must have an existing Gmail account to use this particular YT Studio. So, because I'm connecting with National Library of Nigeria, So if I want to create an account, what it means is that you can operate more than one YouTube on the YT Studio. So if I want to switch to another account, I can switch from here. And it's going to take me to the various Gmails I have logged in on my phone. I can also connect with Elijah as this, I can connect with this. But I'll just go ahead to maintain the National Library of Nigeria YouTube account. So basically, these are the things we'll be working with. We have the dashboard, we have the content, we have the analytics, just as Dr. Ajayi has explained. Then we have the comments as well, and we have the end. Okay. So from our dashboard, I think Dr. Ajayi mentioned something last week to us about social media policy. So the type of content must be type of posting on the. So for instance, I would like to take us through some of the content we have on our National Library of Nigeria YouTube channel. Okay, so these are Nigerian cultural heritage, Nigerian copyright arts, digital literacy training, how to navigate class effective digital learning, how to create animated flyer for organizations. So these are the state of National Library of Nigeria web materials, Minister of Education. So you can see from the content we have there, we are not having any content on politics, on how do I call it? On some musicians are not posting content on some secular music. So we are very intentional about the type of material we post because that is because we are being guided by a particular policy. We are not permitted to post anything outside what the policy has stated. And also the way we also package our content is also very important. I'll play one of these contents. So I have this. Okay, so I'll just go ahead to view this one. Okay. This moderator, sir, please can you confirm it? You can hear me.
Sorry, I didn't get what you said.
Can you confirm if you can hear me very well?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you, yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay. So there is something I want us to observe from this video here. You can see there is consistency in our intro and outro. So you can see this shows that this video was prepared by National Library of Nigeria. So that is what we call an intro. Then towards the end of the video, also we have an outro. Where we have to appreciate, where we have to appreciate I'm trying to show us the outro. Just to emphasize the consistency I was talking about. Okay, so I'll just go back to the YT Studio to show us the key functionalities there. Okay. So we have our dashboard. So this is where we have an overview of our YouTube. You can see from here, you can see the 3 total subscribers, you can see the total number of views, you can see the total number of watch time, latest published content. So you can, from here, you can see few information about our YouTube channel. Then content. This is posted on our YouTube channel. All the videos, each videos having. We also have analytics where we prepare the channel to understand what are interacting with our channel. Then aside from that, we also have comments. And from these comments, we get views of people. User engagement is very, very important in social media. So we get views of people, like I think we reply to this particular person. I hope you are well. So we reply to this person about 2 times. He sent this 2 times. We reply to his message. It is important that you continuously engage pushers. So we also have earn. So before you can start earning, you must reach. You must meet some standard of YouTube, like the total number of subscribers must be around 1,000, the total number of views must be around, I think, 2,000 plus or so before you can start earning on your page. So National Library is also working towards that. So now, to start creating posts, after logging into your Equality Studio, so this plus sign here is what you use in uploading your video. So let's assume I'm going to delete this back. Then just going to let's assume I want to upload this particular video here. Okay. Okay, so before I can upload this, that is in respect to National Library YouTube policy, we must have added intro and outro. But for the purpose of this training, we are not having that here because we make use of some video editing software to do that before we can upload. Because it is not an easy thing, so it has a lot of processes before we make it go live. And it's important for us to title our video. So the title, you must be careful with the title you are putting, because this is what people will search for. So once they search for any item in your title, it's popped up as one of the suggestion it will display when someone type in any of the item in the title. And also, it is also important that you describe your video. So you describe your video properly. Then aside from description, you also made a decision to go public, or just anyone with the link to be able to view it, or just private when people you choose can view. And also, you can also schedule, just as Dr. Ajayi mentioned while he was talking about Facebook. You can also schedule your posts. You can prepare everything and decide on to post immediately. So you can schedule, for instance, if you want to schedule this post, you can schedule it to today's 31, you can schedule this to April 1, then also time, maybe let's say like 1 o'clock, and it goes live tomorrow by 1 o'clock. It is not going to publish now. So you can see the difference. And also, do you want people to be able to, remix what you have uploaded? So this is where you make that decision. And also, it is also important, comment. Do you want people to be able to comment on your video? If yes, you turn it on. Then if no, you click off. But it's also very important that you allow people to comment. And that is where you get views, you get opinions, you get suggestions from your viewers. Then after doing all of that, let's just title this digital literacy training. literacy training. Okay, so the video, let's describe this. The demonstration of digital literacy skills required by 21st century Liberians. Okay, so we have described this. Let's go back. So we want it to go public, and we want people to be able to comment. So we click on next. Now, this is very, very important. You need to set your audience. Mostly for librarians or libraries and other information centers. We pick this. No, it is not for kids. So there is no age restriction. There's no age restriction. So after making a decision, then you can make it go live. And immediately it goes live. No, not immediately, because the video has to upload. Video has to upload. Okay. So after uploading, it goes live. So that is just what I would like to show you. I'm going to go ahead to go live. Okay, so create a YT studio for your organization. The first thing you should note is that you must have a Gmail account created for your organization, not your own personal Gmail account. Gmail account will be created for your own organization. Then connect it to YT Studio. Then for you to start creating content, you use this plus button here to start creating content. Then also, now let's try to check the analysis of this particular video. To do that, I'm going to click on it. Okay, so now you can see I can still edit this. Even though this video has gone live, I can still make some changes to it. So to make any changes to any video that you have uploaded and has gone live, click on this pencil icon here to make changes. So you can then go ahead and make all of the changes. Okay, now because I want to analyze this particular video, you need to click on analytics. Okay. Okay, let's check the overview. Okay. Okay, so we have 296 views. We have 40.4 hours. We have 10 plus 10, and that means more than 10 people and subscribers for that particular post. Okay, so for content, that is videos, we have 731 impressions. We have click-through rate 4.0. So this is where all your analytics, all information you need concerning any video in. Okay, so for the audience, we have that means 41 people view that video more than once. So we have unique viewers. 117, we have more than 10 subscribers. So you can see geography. That means 26 out of the entire people that viewed our video, we have 26.4% from Nigeria. So you can still have more information as regard that. Okay. I think we are just getting for Nigeria only. Okay. Okay, so we also have English. There is no subtitles. We have watch time for subscribers, subscribed, people that subscribe for the 2.1. Okay, channel. So this is where you get all your analysis. We also have age. That is not showing properly. I think it's because of data. Okay, so we have comments. This is where you get comments from people, what people are saying. Okay, I think this particular person he typed this long and this person said. So you can see we need to reply. I think we need to reply all these comments. It shows that we are engaging our users. So basically, this is what I just try to assist Dr. Ajayi on this since his own account is having some glitch. So I think I'll just draw the curtain here why Dr. Ajayi can emphasize more on this and accommodate questions. So thank you so much. Thank you, Dr. Ajayi, for the opportunity to do this. And thank you, moderator. God bless you.
Thank you very much. Thank you for the assistance. I appreciate.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Aziz. That was so wonderful. We appreciate. No questions yet. I guess we all understood the session. But then someone's asking if the facilitator can drop his phone number for questions. I don't know what that is whether it's possible. Dr. Stephen.
Okay, should I write it in the chat or I should just?
Okay, maybe you can drop it on the chat session so that if they have other questions, they can also reach out to you. And I hope that Doc will be making himself available for those that ask questions. So of course, I know that some people would like to go and give this practical trial, and they will encounter some challenges along the way. So, Doc,
yes,
you will create time for your busy schedule. So, attend to this. So, thank you very much. Since there are no questions, I think we'll wrap up here. But first, Mr. Aziz, I don't know whether you have some announcements to make, or I don't know.
Hello?
Yeah, we are with you.
Oh, please, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so I think this should be the last live session for this training.
Yes.
So many people by this time has not done their assignments, possibly because some of the videos are not yet available. We have those videos available, because we recorded every session. But the editing aspects, we need to, like I just explained, add the intro, outro, and likes to all the videos, and to make it easy for you to understand. Because once it's too lengthy, you might decide not to listen to the entire content. We are being careful of what you upload on our YouTube based on our own YouTube policy as well. So these are some of the challenges and delays we're having. So we are trying to round up all these videos preparation this week. I'm going to give everyone 3 weeks, to complete all your assignments, because the essence of this digitized training is to ensure that everybody that were brought on board, start practicing what they're being taught in their various organizations, not just to acquire the knowledge. We want to still transfer that knowledge. So we are always available to assist you anytime you call on us, even after the close of the training. We will still be available to always render assistance. So please we can organize, either next week or upper next week, like just a live session to accommodate questions. We want to understand the challenges, why people are not attending to their assignments, what or what they think needs to be done for them to be able to easily attend to all their assignments. So we'll be accommodating questions, basically on the challenges they are having after the training. So before that, please just attend to the assignments and pre-assessment skills you can before that time. So thank you so much. Thank you, moderator, for giving me the privilege to address it. God bless you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Aziz. I think we'll wrap everything up here. And we're looking forward to our graduation ceremony or graduation, when these certificates will be issued, and then but first we all have to do our assignments and submit them so that it can be marked, and then so thank you very much, Dr. Stephen. Thank you, Mr. Aziz, and I want to appreciate all of us who have made out time to join this session today. And may your week be blessed, and happy Easter to everyone. So thank you very much, and bye.
Bye.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you so
Bye.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
so
you.
much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Wado.
Thank you.
Good.